Between India and ASEAN, who would be the better choice for China Plus One? To get our perspective, don't take your eyes off this episode. Hello, I'm Edwin. China Plus One is more than just Western manufacturers de-risking from China. In our perspective, you should also look into the potential of Chinese manufacturers relocating some of its supply chain to other parts of the world to avoid any disruptions as a result of US-China tension. After hearing this, you know our choice will have to be ASEAN. Why? First, ASEAN advantage lie on its already well-established manufacturing hubs in Vietnam, Thailand, and of course, for Malaysia, it has to be semiconductor. Second, ASEAN edge also lies on its abundance of raw materials and resources like Indonesia. Third, our backyard is friendly to all foreign investors, be it from US or China. Our participations in RCEP, CPTPP, APEC, and many more free trade agreements are some of the testaments that we are friendly people. Well, these are some of the short and sweet explanations of China Plus One. If you are keen to follow more updates on ASEAN, do check out our monthly ASEAN Bulletin via this link. See you in the next episode. Bye.